can see Bitcoin started to get weak here. So if we can break underneath this level for the whole session, this position could open up an enormous opportunity for us. So we're fully out of our trade. Was able to lock in on the second part of the trade, 3,766. So if you don't already know this, I'm a day trader. So first thing I'm doing every morning is doing analysis to figure out whether the market is more likely to move up or down for the entire day as a whole. This is something called daily bias. And this is important because then I can go in and find smaller trade opportunities along the day. And if I can find those small trade opportunities in the same direction of the overall market, those opportunities can get really, really big while allowing me to keep my risk contained. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at for today. Okay, so what I've done here is analyze this uptrend, and I've identified 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of this trend, and now we potentially have what's called an ABC structure. And I'm going to show you a little bit more along the day of how this works on a trading application. But additionally, what I'm seeing overall is that this trend is now being retested at this point again. Okay, we could either break to the upside here over this line, or if we break down under this level, this is going to open up opportunities for me to trade in the down direction for the day. So I've marked off these 2 red levels. So whatever direction this breaks is basically going to be the direction where I try to really let these trades run. Now I can take trades in both directions, but if it's in the direction of the overall daily bias, those are going to be the ones that I'm really going to let run to see if I can make really big profit on those. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is go over, get our desk fully set up for the day, look at a few other things. It's about to turn 9:30. This is where the New York Stock Exchange, which is literally right down there, opens up. It's going to drive a ton of movement and volatility into the market, which is really going to open up some of the best trade opportunities. So I have to be ready for this. So hopefully we have a good trading day. Today is particularly special. Yesterday we hit 1 million YouTube subscribers, which is insane to think about. Okay, additionally tonight we have dinner with Umar Ashraf, who's the creator and founder of TradeZella. So I'm hoping today's a good day. Now I'm gonna hop into the charts. It's about 9:15 right now, so we got 15 minutes until the market opens. Okay, we're gonna get fully set up, and then we're gonna find and take trade number 1. All right, so it's turning 9:30 right now, so we have to start looking out for opportunities. But this is how I have my charts set up. So right over here, this is TradingView, where I'm doing all of my analysis on the day to find these trade opportunities. Here is where my exchange is, where I'm actually going to be executing these trades. And then right here is my trade journal, as well as my checklist for me to follow in the mornings on the session. So I've already done all of my daily requirements. Now I just have to follow these steps whenever I see a setup that follows my exact rule set, and then I basically just have to take the trades from there. The more systematic that I can make it with my trading, the better my result is going to be. Now, the pattern that I'm going to be looking for is going to consist of a few things. Okay, one of the most important things that I'm going to be following is basically evaluating trends like this, waiting for those trends to break into a direction, and then